Edgenesis creates open-source middleware to address interoperability problems of AI and IoT devices to achieve physical AI. Our business model is EaaS, Edge as a Service. Consider us as AWS for Edge AI. This video will use a ROS-powered car, a Deep Robotics robot dog, and a USB camera as examples to demonstrate how to quickly connect and control devices using IoT Driver Copilot and Shifu Cloud. We can control the movement of the car and the robot dog, such as forward, backward, left turn, and right turn, using MQTT topics. For the USB camera, we can obtain a real-time video stream via HTTP. IoT Driver Copilot can quickly generate drivers for any IoT device. Simply upload the device manual and fill in the driver requirements. And the system will automatically extract the information and generate device details. After confirming the details are correct, we click Next to manage the device's MQTT topics. Once the MQTT topics are confirmed, IoT Driver Copilot will automatically generate the driver code and push it to the specified Git repository. Developers will then debug the driver code with the actual hardware. After successful debugging, the driver can be exported as a Shifu Cloud template for batch deployment. Next, we will proceed to generate the driver code for the ROS-powered car or the USB camera. The USB camera uses the HTTP protocol. Shifu Cloud is used for developing IoT applications and configuring the integration of IoT devices. After logging in, we create a new workspace. By selecting and configuring an existing device template, you can complete the device integration. After entering the generated commands into the terminal, you can quickly connect to and control the specific device. Next, we will continue to demonstrate the onboarding of the Deep Robotics robot dog and the USB camera. By using the deployment commands provided by Shifu Cloud, we connect the car, the robot dog, and the USB camera to our cluster, enabling the control of the connected devices as shown at the beginning of the video.